In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account on Instagram, okay? The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Then click on your profile picture here at the bottom. Then click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign are the three bars at the top. Okay, then scroll down and locate creator tools and controls. Okay, scroll down and click switch account type. Okay, then click switch to personal account. Okay, then click on switch to personal account once again. Now scroll down, click on the home tab, then refresh Instagram. With this, you'll be able to switch back to your personal account from the professional account. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Let's meet in the next video.